Hi guys, welcome back to Cookbook. I Priya Jam will today teach you another mithai which is made of melon seeds and cashew and mawa. So let's start making the mithai. I've kept the pan to heat, become hot and nice. Now I'll add in the mawa. Cook the mawa on slow flame. The mawa has cooked. Now I'll add in around 75 grams of melon seeds. And I'll add in 50 grams of cashew. Again mix well. Add in 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, just a little pinch of green color for coloring, and mix well. Add in 100 grams of powdered sugar while it's hot. And cook on slow flame. Cook on a slow flame till the mixture leaves the pan. The mithai is done. I switch off the flame and keep stirring it for another minute. I take pure ghee and brush it on a thali. Pour the mixture into the thali. Melon and the mawa mithai is ready. I'll leave it to cool for 2 to 3 hours in the fridge, and then I'll cut it and set it on a plate and serve it to my guests for Diwali. Wish everyone a happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year.